can't go on this way. She's somewhere in the Smoky Mountain Rain. I waved a diesel down outside a cafe. He said that he was going as far as Gatlinburg. Oh, I climbed up in the cab.